Okay, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss the problems of exercise 48.1 from HK Das. I mean the book Mathematical Physics. Okay, so I think you all are well. I am also fine. Now I am considering that you have already read this topic. Otherwise you will not understand, and I will suggest you that please go through the theory and after that come to this video. I mean, if you face any problems, I mean if you face any difficulties with solving problems, then obviously come to this channel. Okay, fine. So I think you have already cleared your basic knowledge. Okay, now delta function problems from HK Das. Okay, so here you will see that one thing, this is the problems. Okay, so one by one I will solve. Fine, let's start. Okay, so first problem, here it is said that it is given, evaluate the following. Okay, so exercise 48.1, even integration 0 to infinity e to the power minus 3t delta of t minus 4 dt. Okay, let's start solving. Okay, fine, 1 minute please. Okay, sorry for this. I think you all know about a delta function. What delta function says that when a large amount of force acted on a particle for very small time interval, then force can be represented by a Dirac delta function. What I am saying, it's not all about the force. It is a very useful mathematical construct used in various fields including physics and engineering physics. To model impulsive phenomena, it's not a conventional function but rather a distribution or generalized function. Okay, it has many properties. I think you all know about the shifting property, sampling property, normalization property, transformation property, etc. Blah blah blah. Okay, I don't want to spoil my time here. So here, for solving this, you need to know two things. Okay, so here you can see that delta t minus 4. So here t equal to 4. Okay, so I want to say one thing, that here check the limit. Here 0 to infinity, it is 0 to infinity. So if t equal to 4, then I think it is within the limit. Okay, so delta function exists. Otherwise, this total integration will be 0. So as usual, t equal to 4. So I can use a property of delta function, and that is, we all know minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, f of x delta of x minus x0 equal to f of x0. I think you all know about this. Okay, here I will use this. Okay, so here you can see that x equal to t and x0 equal to 4. Okay, so now substitute this. Simple, quite simple. So this is the f of x. So substitute the value of x0. So e to the power minus 3t t equal to 4. Now the answer is e to the power minus 12. So this is the answer. Okay, now going to the second problem. What is this given? Second problem, it is given. Okay, let me see. Okay, minus infinity to plus infinity sin 2t delta of t minus pi by 4 into dt. Okay, here also you can see that I can solve this using this property. How? Okay, so here t equal to 4, but here t equal to pi by 4, and here f of x was e to the power minus 3t, but here f of x equal to sin 2t. So this is a small difference between these two problems. Now, but the process is same. I can write. So here also you can write 1 minute sin 2t t equal to pi by 4. Now substitute this. Okay, sin 2t, I mean 2 into pi by 4, and sin pi by 2 equal to 1. So this is the answer. Very easy. Now let's start the second problem. Okay, okay, fine. So what is given? It is given that minus infinity to plus infinity e to the power minus 3t delta dash, I mean its derivative t minus 2. You all know about it. You all know about this dash. Okay, fine. So here 1 minute. Okay, but here I can't use this formula because of this derivative. Okay, you all know about the formula always. Here I am going to use, and that is minus infinity to plus infinity f of x delta m of x equal to minus 1 whole to the power m into f of m into 0. Okay, I think you have heard about this. Okay, fine. So if you compare this with this problem, then you can see that here m equal to 1. Okay, what we will get? Okay, fine. I'm sorry for this. Okay, so here m equal to 1, clear? Okay, and we can write, okay, later I will write. At first let me solve. So here minus 1 whole to the power n, so minus 1 whole to the power m means 1, clear? Then f of 0. Why f of 0? Because here x minus x0, and where here x minus x0, and x0 equal to 0, that's why f of 0. I hope you all understand. But here you can see that here t minus t equal to 2, so here x0 equal to 2. I think you all understand. But also a problem here, f of m equal to 1, so here a derivative function will arrive, and that is d dt of f of x. And what's the value of f of x? E to the power minus 3t. Okay, so e to the power minus 3t, and after that we will substitute t equal to 2. So okay, solve it is. Now you can write easily minus 1 into minus 3 into e to the power minus 3t. I think you all know about, and t equal to 2. So 3 e to the power minus 6. This is the answer. Okay, so this is the delta function problems. Okay, here also a problem. I mean a part, find the Laplace transform of delta function. Some of the delta function has been given example. Now let's start. So here it is given 4. It is given delta of t minus 4 by t, but it is said that find the Laplace transform. If you want to go through about the Laplace transform, then obviously open the HK book, you will get all the theories. And if you face any problems in solving the mathematical problems of Laplace transform exercises, then obviously exercise 40, I think exercise 46.1 or exercise 46.2, where the Laplace transform exercises are given, I have already solved, and you will get it from my channel. Okay, I will attach the link of those videos. Okay, fine. So let's start about let's focus about this problem. No. So here you can write L of delta of t minus 4 by t. So you can say here that here f of t, what is the value of f of t? F of t equal to 1 by t. I can write, fine. And what's the value of t? T equal to 4. Okay, I can get this. Okay, 1 minute. I can get these two informations with t equal to 4 and f of t equal to 1 by 2. 1 by t. I mean sorry, 1 by t. Okay, now expand this. So you will get 0 to infinity e to the power minus st for Laplace transform, and delta of t minus 4 by t into dt. Now see, it's solved already. 1 by t, t minus 4, t equal to 4, so substitute that value, so 1 by 4, and e to the power minus st, substitute the value of t, e to the power minus 4s. This is the answer. Very simple. And after that one problem, you will see this is also quite simple. 5. I mean here it is given the function is cos t log t and delta of t minus pi. Okay, so you need to find the Laplace transform of it. Okay, so at first you write this L of cos t log t delta t minus pi. I think it's not a very much difficult work. Okay, now you have already seen that here integration Laplace transform for e to the power minus st into f of s, then dt, then you already know about this. So here you will get one part e to the power minus st, I mean st into okay, 1 minute, e to the minus st, okay, 0 to infinity e to the power minus st and cos t log t delta of t minus pi into dt. Clear? Okay, now here t equal to pi. You have already know about this. So t equal to pi, substitute the value of f of x, and here f of x cos t log t and e to the power minus st. So find t equal to pi. So e to the power minus pi s. Okay, cos pi log pi. Okay, and you know that cos pi equal to minus 1. So minus e to the power minus pi is log pi. So this is the answer. Okay, so enough for today. I think this video will be helpful. Then if you think this video is needful, then obviously subscribe, like also, and share with your friends. Thank you.